Hello everyone. Today with us we have the top GATE ranker, GATE AIR2 from Environmental Science and Engineering, and we are proud to bring him in front of all of you, and we would like to know from him about his journey. And he's Anush Verma. He scored, his AIR All India rank is 2 in GATE Environmental Science. So let's know more from him. How is he feeling and what all did he do in his preparation? So hello Anush, how are you feeling right
Hello,
now?
I'm feeling very overwhelmed, and currently I'm just finding a way to suppress the feelings which I'm feeling right now.
You don't have to suppress, you can fully tell, like you can express it completely. So we would like to know, like tell us a little bit about your background. Where did you go to college and what are you doing currently?
Okay, so first of all, thank you, AppSec team. And I did my engineering from NIT Trichy, from civil engineering, and I belong to Churu district from Rajasthan.
Okay.
And currently I'm preparing for this GATE and as well as IAS exam.
Okay, so what were your preferences? Like, how did you decide to go for environmental science? Do you have, you want to go further in that, or do you want, you are targeting some other exams?
So the main target was to secure a good rank in civil engineering. As soon as the IIT gave another chance to give second paper, so I
Hmm.
decided to try in that also because the syllabus was almost similar.
Yeah, yeah.
So
It,
so I tried to score in good in both of them,
hmm.
and that's how I got.
Hmm.
I try to maintain a balance between those two, and further that's how I got a good rank.
हम्म, तो हम लोग ये भी जानना चाहेंगे कि तुमने मतलब प्रिपरेशन कब स्टार्ट की और कैसे अप्रोच किया प्रिपरेशन को, कुछ थोड़ा उस बारे में भी बताओ।
तो मैंने अपने प्रिपरेशन कॉलेज के फाइनल ईयर में स्टार्ट कर दिया था, और
ओके।
मेरा पहला अटेम्प्ट सिविल में कॉलेज में ही था। उस टाइम
हम्म।
मेरा रैंक उतना अच्छा नहीं आया था,
हम्म।
मे बी ड्यू टू कंसिस्टेंसी, मे बी ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ the understanding of subject.
हम्म।
And this time I gave the exam
हम्म।
and I secured a good rank. The main thing was the all the content, and as well as the strategy, means consistency is the main key.
हम्म।
So our revision and regular assessment has helped me a lot to
हम्म।
secure a good rank.
So, like, how much time did you give it per day for preparation? Uh, and I would like to also to know, like, in the last few days, what did you do differently, or how much were you studying? Did you do anything differently than what you were doing for the remaining time?
Okay, so in the preparation, the time does not matter. The
Hmm.
thing that matters is what topics you cover in one day,
Hmm. Hmm.
or you need to make a plan in 7 days.
Hmm.
What you need to cover, and you
Hmm.
need to break down that in uh, several pieces so
Hmm.
that you can achieve a bit of target each day. You need
Yeah.
not to have a heavy plan in like 6 months. I'll do that. You need to
Hmm.
cut down the sections, the
Hmm.
subject, and then you need to follow each day preparation. And you also need to keep an eye what will you do next day. You need
Yeah.
to prepare beforehand.
Hmm.
And if you would like to answer me that how much hour I studied, it was approximately 8 hours a day, 8 to 10 hours a day.
Okay. Okay. But yeah, that's a very nice thing that you have to know what you are going to do today and immediate next
And
days, and yeah, for a week,
as
like,
well,
yeah, yeah, you
yeah.
have to make
and
sure.
uh, and one more thing I would like to add, that after each subject, as you complete one subject, do give the exam, do give the test,
Test.
so that so that you can revise the thing what you have learned in the,
Yeah.
because the subject can prolong up to 15 days or 20
Mm-hmm.
days maybe.
Mm-hmm.
So what you study in the starting, might not have been retained in your mind
Yeah,
for after 15 days.
15 days. Yeah.
So you need to reassess yourself and revise the concepts again and again.
Mm-hmm.
And talking about the last 15 or 20 days, the test series was the most crucial part in that completion. So
Yeah.
test series, you need to assess yourself. You need to you need to check uh, in what sector you are uh, uh, performing poor, and you need to correct yourself, whether it
Another,
is timing or
yeah,
accuracy.
yeah, yeah. Another question that we get a lot is like, in the 3 hour duration, people are really stressed a lot, like, and even though they know things, they do a lot of mistakes. So what do you think they should do for that?
Yeah, first of all, to give a clear cut strategy of giving an exam, first of all, you have to go through the in 5 to 10 minutes, so that you would know what questions you are and you can do in shorter time. And in half an hour or 5 minutes, you need to solve all those, and the rest you need to uh, you need to go again through the question paper and see what questions you can do in which you need either a lengthy calculation, or they are out of your mind, means you should stress a bit on your mind to know that concept.
Yeah.
So that you need to do in the last. So the first part, which would give you boost and confidence, and it might also help to regain the memory what you have learned in the preparation time.
तो बेसिकली जो भी टाइम है 3 घंटे, उनको भी ऑर्गेनाइज करना है। पहले जो इजीएस्ट क्वेश्चन है जो जल्दी सॉल्व हो रहे हैं, फिर उसके ऊपर जो नेक्स्ट लेवल है, फिर नेक्स्ट लेवल है।
Yes.
Yeah, that's very nice. So what are your future plans with, I mean, as you told already, you are preparing for ESE also. So is that your prime motive right now, or do you have something else also in mind?
Yeah, my short term to join any PSU, or means PSU basically.
Okay.
And long term is goal is obviously ESE exam, to clear ESE exam.
Okay, that's nice. Another thing, like, how did our videos help you? I would like to know, like, how our content helped you in your preparation.
So there is two things that are required in any exam preparation. One is the content, second approach for the exam. So both were provided by AppSet. That was very good and comprehensive, as well as in a package that you won't leave anything, or you won't find any extra thing which is not there in the exam. So both will be a burden on you if there is an extra thing. So I would like to, I continuously followed the quizzes and the videos and the blogs. So the quizzes helped me to reassess me again and again and revise things, and the content was very good.
That's very nice. That and any feedback do you have for us, like how we can improve? We would also like to know about that.
I just heard that one-on-one mentorship is going on in the AppSet team. That's a very nice thing, I would say, to have, because in the preparation time sometimes you lose motivation, and you need a mentor or someone to help you, to push you through this exam. So that's a part where you can do a very good job.
Yeah, that all that was in mind. That's how we started that. So that's it from our side. If you have any question, you can ask me.
No question from my side.
Okay, then we won't take more of your time. You just scored. You just would have got to know yesterday, and today is your day. Next few days you'll be very excited. So you go out and enjoy with your friends, your family, and like
Sure.
yeah, completely enjoy these days. And all the best with your future also.
Thank you very much.
Okay then. Thank you.